Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel. I am Prachi Sahu. So I hope you all are fit and fine. So if you remember in our last video, we had started our second chapter in geography, that is interior of the earth. So we will continue with that. We will continue with that chapter. uh, this is uh, uh, this is part 2. This is part 2. I had mentioned the link of part 1 in the description, so you collect from there. So we will first take a note of what we will study: types of crust, types of mantle, and types of core. So let's start with types of crust. There are two types of crust. First is continental crust and then oceanic crust. So continental crust. The continental crust is the layer of granite, sedimentary and metamorphic rocks which form the continents and the areas of shallow seabed close to their shores known as continental shelves. So you understood. So now our next topic means our next crust, crust is oceanic crust. Oceanic crust is the uppermost layer of oceanic proportion of a tectonic plate. It is composed of upper oceanic crust with pillow lavas and a dick complex, and the lower oceanic crust composed of tro, 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 troctolite, trocto, troctolite, gabbro, and ultramafic cumulates. So we will move to our next topic, that is no no first see this. You can see here continental you can see here in this image, this gray color part is called the continental crust. This is the diagram. you if you if you want this diagram, you can draw, or you can take a screenshot in your mobiles. So this gray color part is called the continental crust, and this blue color part is called the oceanic crust. So we will move to our next topic, that is mantle. Types of mantle. There are two types of mantle: upper mantle and lower mantle. First is upper mantle. The upper mantle is not uniform throughout the topmost thin layer of it. It is very similar to the Earth's crust. Together with the crust, we call it the lithosphere. Below the lithosphere is a layer of upper mantle called the asthenosphere. This is made up this is made up rock that is fluid and can move. So now lower mantle. Lower mantle is the liquid inner layer of the earth from 400 to 1800 miles below the surface. The lower mantle has temperature over 7000 degrees Fahrenheit and pressure up to 1.3 billion times. Means you can imagine how much heat is there in the lower mantle, that that of the surface near the outer core. It is near the outer core. So we will move to our next topic, that is that is types of core: outer core and inner core. So we will first study about outer core. Outer core. Outer core is a fluid layer about 2,400 kilometer thick and composed of mostly iron and nickel, that lies above Earth's solid inner core. Means that lies above, means uh, उसके ऊपर, इनर कोर के ऊपर, एंड बिलो इट्स मेंटाइल. Its outer core, boundary lies 90 kilometer beneath Earth's surface. The transition between the inner core and the outer core is located approximately 5,150 kilometer beneath the Earth's surface. So now we will study about the inner core. Inner core. Inner core extends from around 5,150 km to the depth of around 6,371 71 km. It is in the solid state. The inner core is hot dense ball of mostly iron. It consists of mostly iron. So we had reached to our end. So thank you for watching my video, and to get the notifications of my video, please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, then like my video. Then if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can comment me and tell me. Thank you for watching my video.